Tired of dealing with dry, damaged hair that lacks bounce and shine? Imagine restoring your hair's natural volume and gloss with a simple step in your daily routine. Wow, Coconut-Avocado Hair Conditioner promises just that. A powerful solution designed to bring your hair back to life while reducing hair loss and promoting healthier growth. I started using this conditioner after struggling with brittle, lifeless strands that wouldn't respond to anything else. What stood out immediately was how soft and manageable my hair felt after just one use. The blend of coconut milk, nettle leaf, and saw palmetto extracts not only nourished my scalp but also helped reduce shedding during showers. Over a few weeks, I noticed my hair was fuller, less prone to breakage, and had a natural shine that made a real difference in how I felt about my look. What makes this conditioner truly unique is its plant-powered formula. It's sulfate-free, paraben-free, hypoallergenic, and cruelty-free. Perfect if you're cautious about what touches your hair and skin. Ingredients like extra virgin olive oil, jojoba, argan oil, and keratin work together to hydrate and strengthen each strand without weighing your hair down. Whether your hair is curly, wavy, fine, or dry, this conditioner softens cuticles and boosts gloss without any greasy residue. Using it is straightforward. Shampoo as usual, then massage a generous amount into damp hair, focusing on strands if your scalp tends to get oily. Leave it on for 3 to 5 minutes, then rinse with lukewarm water. The result? Hair that feels clean, moisturized, and visibly healthier. It's a simple step that fits seamlessly into your routine but delivers lasting benefits. If you're looking for a conditioner that not only repairs damage but also supports hair growth and reduces loss, this product is worth a look. Plus, Wow Skin Science stands behind their promise with a full refund warranty if you're not satisfied. That kind of confidence is rare and reassuring. Ready to see the difference for yourself? Try Wow Coconut-Avocado Hair Conditioner when you're ready to give your hair the care it deserves. It's a natural, effective way to bring softness, shine, and strength back to your hair, without compromise.